We are in the verge.com, and that is this news. If you are not subscribing this channel, please subscribe now and go to our live channel, GTech Live. I will add the link on the description. You can go there and watch the full live and comment with me live. Okay, so Nintendo's OLED Switch could come in September. The announcement may happen before E3 next month. Nintendo could release its heavily rumored new version of the Switch in September or October. According to the report by Bloomberg, manufacturing is reportedly planned to start as soon as July, and Bloomberg says that the system may be announced before the E3 trade show, which kicks off in virtual form on June 12th. As Bloomberg notes, an announcement ahead of E3 would allow third-party publishers as well as Nintendo itself to show their games running on the new hardware. This version of the Switch is said to use more powerful silicon from NVIDIA that works with DLSS technology, allowing for 4K output to a TV. It also reportedly has a 7-inch OLED display sourced from Samsung. Bloomberg says Nintendo suppliers are confident in their ability to fulfill the orders even though there is a global shortage of chips and other components. Producing lines are better prepared for the potential component shake-up, and the parts Nintendo is using are subject to less competition than those in its rivals' more powerful consoles. According to the report, though, it still warns that the company's ability to meet consumers' demand won't be guaranteed. The current model of the Switch has been difficult to find in many regions throughout the past year, with increased demand during the pandemic exacerbated by challenges with the supply chain. Okay, this news is very interesting, but I have to tell you that I never played a Nintendo Switch. So I can't tell you how the experience of playing a Nintendo Switch is because I never played it, but I saw a little videos on YouTube, people playing on YouTube, and I can guarantee you that it's a very good device for playing games. You can play even what's the game? Fortnite. You can play Fortnite easily on Nintendo Switch and other games that they made for a version for Nintendo Switch, and you can play easily. And the Nintendo Switch I want to buy one day to play Mario Kart with my wife because uh, she's a fan of Mario Kart, and you can't play because you just can play Mario Kart and Mario games on Nintendo. And we don't have Nintendo in where I live today in Brazil. Nintendo Switch is too expensive. It's more than 3,000 reais. And don't convert it in dollars because it doesn't make sense. But 3,000 reais, 3,000 reais for us is too much money for buying a device to play. And let's talk about the OLED screen. The OLED screen is better because I have this smartphone. It's a OLED screen. That's my wife. And this OLED screen is so good for you to play because the color is even better. The black is really black, and it's make a lot of difference when you are playing a game or you're not playing something, or you are watching videos or you are watching pictures. That's a better improvement that Nintendo is doing on his device. And as they said, during the pandemic, we lost a lot of products, a lot of good products on stores because they just vanished on the store. Because uh, during the pandemic, they don't produce a lot of um products, a lot of, let me see what the word is, the supply. They don't provide the supply because they were worried about other things, and they don't produce enough supply to produce PS5, to produce Xbox, to produce Nintendo Switch. So all these devices are gone from the market, and it's so difficult to find one. And when we find one, we have to pay two two times the price, and this is a bad thing. So to end this clip, I will tell you, if you like what I'm saying, if you like the time you're passing with me watching this video, please join me on the live video. Maybe I'll do once a week this video talking about the many news of the week, and the link of this YouTube channel where I'm doing this live is on the description, and you can go there, subscribe in my channel, and be part of this talk. Okay, let's go